One thing you need to know in Thailand is you can't flush toilet paper down the toilet here. They tell you to put it in the trash. So
it's disgusting. So you have to use a bidet.
Yeah.
And it took me so long.
I love the bidet.
Watch out.
Sorry. I love the bidet, but
I didn't want to use it because it freaked me out at first. But then my toilet started getting clogged. And it's like 550 baht, which is not a lot, but
it's a lot for us.
I decided I should keep doing it. And so I tried using it at school and I missed. And it was just like going everywhere. Because it's like a handheld one, so you like, and I just soaked the whole bathroom.
TMI.
I don't think anyone was in there.
TMI.
I have a mosquito bite on my butt.
We got it. Woo. Erawan. Oh, it's packed.
They warned us not to do the 8 o'clock bus. This is why.
For a reason. We're screwed. Finally made it to Erawan National Forest. There's Anna. But you have to buy tickets to get in here, about 300 baht per person. So we had to pay 600 baht. It wasn't too bad. So Erawan has 7 tiers of waterfall. We're gonna try and hit every single one up today. Don't know. I think we have 5 hours here.
Can I take a picture of this so that we don't, so we know it's up, or you think there'll be signs?
Are you pointing?
If I was a stray dog, I would choose to live here too. Hello. Hi, babies.
This is a German Shepherd.
Oh, that's a pretty one. There's like.
Oh, look at this little baby.
I know.
Hello, baby.
These ones look a lot cleaner than the ones in Bangkok.
As you can see, it's flowing. A lot of people said not to come here during dry season, which is dry season right now. They said to come from like July to October is wet season. They said it might not be cool, but this is unreal. Hitting up number 2 now. Check it out. Whoa. So yeah, you gotta keep moving your feet when you get in there because all the fish, there's like a natural fish spa. So they all start nibbling on your dead skin. Even the big ones do, and those ones kind of hurt. But the small ones, they're like a big tickle. But it was really nice. We're going to tier 3 now.
Whoa!
Oh. Wow. This one's a giant. Woo! Anna, get in. Come on. Let's show them tier 3.
Muddy.
Very muddy, but very nice. This is tier 3. This is a very big bad boy. I like it. Look at that. Woo! Check it out. We're gonna make Anna go do one more fall. Oh. We're gonna take the serene route. What's in here?
I don't know, it's quicksand. This is so cool. Ian, here's a pool. We're gonna go chill in this pool.
Anna keeps leaving me in the dust with all the fishes.
Yep.
She keeps taking all the good spots.
Yeah. Ian! Oh, it's a fish! I thought it was you guys fucking with me. You fucking fish. It's a salamander.
Check out the salamander. Anna called it out. Oh shit.
Doesn't look like a lizard, right?
Yeah, Let's go.
They're mean. Alright.
Stairs up to 7. Pretty steep stairs. Anna, are you excited that we got to 7? Tomorrow, the sun will. We found the sun. Anna's very happy that she found the sun. Look what we just found on our way back down.
Swimming in the water that we swim in.
We did not see this one when we here. It's a big lizard. Check that thing out.
I don't even know what that is.
Oh my gosh.
It's like a swimming like.
Look at that thing. That thing's. We were just swimming in that water. That is a very beautiful lizard. Whatever type. There's a very long neck.
Kennedy's birthday's tomorrow. Happy birthday, Kenny!
Happy birthday!